exactly 7:30. Guys, I just finished night shift and I'm hey. That was the easiest night shift I've ever done. I don't know for what reason. Look, I got there 10:30. I was like, it's 10:30. 12. God. I was like, it's already 12. Okay, all right. Next thing, I look at the clock, it's 2. It is 2 a.m. and I'm like, what is going on? This time is just speeding. Next thing is, I'm like, my resident usually wakes up at like 4 a.m. The one that I usually take care of, he wakes up at 4 a.m. So it's like, usually at 4 a.m. he's gonna wake up and we're gonna, we're just gonna be chilling. 3:35, God, he's awake. And I'm like, when? We are awake at 3:35. Harishebe the movie. What do you want to watch? Huh? He sits down there, he chooses a movie, he watches, we're watching Young Sheldon and we're just chilling. Guys, tell me, why is it 5 o'clock? I'm like, it's 5 now, yeah. It's time. It's time to go home. I get up, I do some of the responsibilities that I have to do. I'm done. And now I'm on my way home. Mutokina. Yo, guys, sorry. Happy. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day. Yo, I'm going to be with my family now. Sit down and do a little bit of relaxation. The school bell.
Now, don't forget, Project Day tomorrow. Goodbye, Jerry.
I need pots. Oh my gosh. I'm cooking some relish. What is that? What is it called? Yes, some chicken and yeah. So let's eat. You need my phone or something? I'll check this now. So, there is much that needs to be done today before I go to bed. We actually need to do laundry. Look at my people. You need to poop? No, are you serious?
Serious.
The sun is out, like literally it was pouring a few seconds ago. There's so much that I need to do actually before I can just relax. We have to do laundry, as I showed you just before. Then somebody needed to use the toilet, so I'm back here at the house. I have to do laundry. I need to buy some pants and Primark. I need to get mold spray. Look at the sun just disappearing. Like, wow. Ojin, come. Let's go. We're gonna go to Daddy. He's on the other side. I need to say you needed to use the toilet. What else? Get mold spray, guys. Yo, mold. What is it? And we we ventilate and everything. So I wonder how people actually keep mold out of the house. But we need to get something that we can prevent it from getting worse. We leave windows open. We leave windows open and we haven't even started turning on the heater that much. So I don't understand why. Ujin, no. Nana? I don't understand why it's this way. Anyway, so come with us. as we just go and do a few things before I settle down and sleep for the day. Come on, small humans. Yeah. Where's Ujin? Ujina, come on. And they need to get haircuts actually. Don't, no. Please don't jump in the puddles. No. No. Let's go. It's been raining. Sejin, don't jump in the puddles. You're gonna get wet. Come. Ujin. Stop it. Sejin, stop. Don't stamp in the stuff. Hello. Hi. Hi, William. Hello. He's up there. Say, Ujin, up there. Have a good day. Come on. Bye. No, don't jump in the puddles. Yo, the drama. What is it? This side's it. Yo, these kids will make you work. I'm currently at Primark and I am looking for black pants. I don't think this is gonna fit. This is a size 20, but then they stretch. But usually I'm like 22. So let's see. US 16. Definitely not. I'm US 18. But they're so stretchy, so let's see. Doubt it. I don't even know why I traveled myself. I think I need to go to a place because most of the sizes here this one is very I don't think they have anything above size 20, so let me make my exit. One pants from M&S, but they're like 40 pounds. But 40 pounds, that's a lot of money, isn't it? So, let's see, 12, 16, so it's 20. How much are these anyway? Where am I? Look, $39.50. These are the ones that I found, but this is a size 12. So my size is black socks. 40. I think maybe I need to check online first, right? What do you think? There's 40. Oh, what guys? Are we fighting? Yeah. Yeah. Made a simple dinner. Some chicken, greens, and rice.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Come on.
The day is almost over. I am exhausted now. You know when you have all like energy and then you start to feel the tiredness creeping. I'm at that point. So I did the laundry. I did everything that I needed to do except for find pants. I did not find the pants. I'm thinking of going online. I know there's a store called Yours. It's for plus size women. Or I have a friend, Sharon, that has recommended a couple of places that I can look at. And I am definitely going to go look on there for something that is a bit cheaper than £40. Because, I should get at least something for what, 15, at least 2 pairs for 30, no? I think that's only fair. Anyway, my kids are making noise in the background there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. Thank you for spending the routine with me after a night shift. Let me go and get some rest. I am tired. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like my video. Make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.